At RestoreThings, we tell stories that challenge belief, because sometimes the most valuable machines in the world are not destroyed, they are simply forgotten. Far from highways, charging stations, and city lights, deep inside an unforgiving jungle, something impossible waits in silence. Hidden beneath thick fog, vines, and years of decay, a 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most futuristic trucks ever built, sits abandoned. Designed to represent the future of transportation, it now stands as a reminder of how quickly nature can reclaim even the most advanced technology. The Cybertruck's sharp stainless steel body, once flawless and reflective, is now scarred by rust and corrosion. Mud has swallowed its wheels, moisture has invaded every seam, and orange streaks of oxidation crawl across metal that was engineered to last forever. Moss grows along its edges. The jungle does not care about innovation, price tags, or design awards. Here, time moves differently. What once cost over $100,000 now looks like nothing more than scrap metal slowly dissolving into the earth. When the mechanic arrives, he does not rush. He wears the same work jacket, the same gloves, the same calm expression he always carries. He walks around the Cybertruck in silence, studying it not with disbelief, but with respect. Where others see loss, he sees potential. Where others see rust, he sees structure. This is not just recovery, it is a decision. A choice to bring something back that the world has already abandoned. Freeing the Cybertruck from the jungle is a battle against gravity, mud, and time itself. Heavy recovery straps are secured. The winch strains. Slowly, the truck begins to rise. Thick mud releases its grip, sliding off the angular body in heavy sheets. Vines snap and fall away. After years of stillness, the Cybertruck moves again. Loaded onto a recovery truck, it leaves the jungle behind. Damaged, silent, but no longer forgotten. The garage becomes the place where chaos turns into control. Under steady lights, the real work begins. Layers of dirt are blasted away with high-pressure water, revealing the true extent of corrosion beneath. Every wash uncovers both damage and hope. Rust removal follows, slow, exhausting work. Sanding, grinding, and careful polishing strip away decay millimeter by millimeter. There are no shortcuts here. Restoration demands patience. The Cybertruck is taken apart piece by piece. Panels are removed. Components are laid out with precision. The interior, once filled with moisture and dirt, is stripped and cleaned. Seats are washed, surfaces restored, and every hidden space is reclaimed. Even the electric systems and motor components are carefully cleaned and inspected. This is not just about appearance. It is about trust. A machine must be safe before it can be beautiful. As reassembly begins, the Cybertruck starts to resemble itself again. Clean stainless steel panels return to their places. Sharp edges regain their purpose. The truck's futuristic form slowly reemerges, no longer defined by decay, but by precision. Final finishing brings back the refined brushed metal look that made the Cybertruck so iconic. Reflections return. Confidence returns. When the work is complete, the transformation is undeniable. What once stood abandoned in mud now stands restored, powerful, and alive. This Cybertruck is not just repaired, it is reborn. Its journey proves something important. Technology may be advanced, but it is care, effort, and respect that truly preserve value. From a forgotten future in the jungle to a symbol of rebirth in the garage, this story reminds us why restoration matters. Value is never truly lost. It is only forgotten, waiting for someone willing to bring it back. This is RestoreThings, where abandoned machines become legends again.